Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make probiotic shots. Probiotic shots are a fantastic way to boost your gut health with beneficial bacteria. They are essentially concentrated doses of good microorganisms that support digestion and overall well-being. Making them at home is a rewarding process, allowing you to control the ingredients and potency. We will explore the simple fermentation techniques involved, transforming basic ingredients into a powerful health elixir. Get ready to learn how to create your own delicious and healthful probiotic beverages. To begin your probiotic shot journey, gathering the right ingredients and tools is key. You will need a living starter culture, like active kefir grains or a robust kombucha SCOBY, which are the powerhouses of fermentation. For their food source, fresh fruit juice or a simple sugar water solution works perfectly. Essential equipment includes clean glass jars for fermentation, airtight lids for storage, and a fine mesh strainer to separate your culture. These items form the foundation for your homemade probiotic creations. Now, let's dive into the exciting fermentation process. First, combine your starter culture with your chosen liquid, whether it's fruit juice or a sugar solution, in a thoroughly cleaned glass jar. It is crucial to leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top to accommodate the natural gas production during fermentation. Place your jar in a spot with a consistent room temperature, ideally between 68 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 1 to 3 days, depending on your desired tanginess. Once your probiotic shots have fermented to your liking, it is time for the final touches. Carefully strain out the starter culture. It can be reused indefinitely for future batches, making this a sustainable practice. Now, get creative with flavorings. Consider adding fresh ginger, a pinch of turmeric, or a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for an extra zing. Finally, transfer your delicious probiotic shots into airtight bottles and store them in the refrigerator, where they will remain fresh and potent for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.